Guys, today I want to share with you 5 amazing sites that have made me money within the space of 3 to 4 months working from home as a sit-at-home mom. And I have made over 1 million Naira on these 4 apps. Note, I'm not a financial advisor. This is what I'm currently doing and I feel like sharing it to my people. If you do not know me, this is Gaf Success, aka the Money Chick. If you are new on my channel, this is Money Making Channel where I bring to you bumper to bumper different sites way or different legit way to make money online using your smartphone and your internet connection. If you are watching on other social media handle, please do us a favor, follow. If you're watching on YouTube, hit the notification button and subscribe so that whenever we post a correct video, you will be the first to notify. And you don't know, the next video may be a life-changing opportunity for you. So let's dive in. This is the first site on our list. This platform pays you to perform a social media jobs, and you can also benefit by reselling other people's products and services, and you can also promote your business on this platform. Like I said, if you have all these apps on your phone, you will be able to get paid by posting adverts on this platform. Normal day-to-day things. These are all the payment history on this platform. Whatever I'm showing you, I'm going to show you proofs of payment on these platforms. All the link to these sites I'm going to show you will be on the description below. So do not rush. Stay to the end of this video so that you will also learn how to navigate on this platform and start making money for yourself. If you're watching on other social media handle like TikTok or Instagram, visit the link on their bio. Moving on to the second site, this site pays you to perform social media jobs. You can see available jobs on this platform. It's countless jobs on this site. Currently, I'm having over 6,000 Naira on this app to withdraw. Moving on to my transaction history, you can see I have earned over 328,000 Naira on this site just to perform a social media jobs, and you can see all these payments are successfully withdrawn. Moving on to the next one, this one also is a act that you can do every day, and this platform is not free. Okay, you have to subscribe to it, which I have also done video on how to deposit on this platform. So right now you can see I'm having 120 on this platform, and when you register on this platform, they will give you $100 USDT as a registered bonus using my link. It's my job on this platform. You can see every day I earn roughly $2.20 on this tax, and you can literally withdraw every day on this platform. Okay, right now let's place a withdrawal. I'm having $11 here, which is what I want to withdraw. Then I paste my wallet. I'll now click on confirm to confirm my withdrawal. You can see it's successful withdrawal. The amount has changed to 0. Right now I'm on my Binance, and you can see the $11 we just withdraw, and you can see it is successful deposited on our Binance account. Moving on to the next site, this is a survey site that pays you to perform a survey or by sharing your opinion on this platform. So these are my total earnings on this platform during the survey task I have done within the past 13 days, and this is how much I've been able to make on this. All the link of this site will be on the description below. If you are still watching and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the notification button, subscribe to this channel, and also give this video a thumbs up. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any question, kindly drop it on the comment section. I will get back to you.